Hey Sarah, this is Matt, and just made this video for you so I can show you through our Schoology or how I use Schoology. I plan on making a video for my students this upcoming school year to go over all of this information, but I'm only doing this one for you because I don't know if our next school year is going to have virtual class like I have in this one now. So before I have any updated information, I'm just going to show you how I used last school year's Schoology. And so you can see my contact information was shown here on every student's page for Schoology. Texting, cell phone, email address, how to join their Google Meet, my office hours information that was updated at the end. In course headquarters folder here, it went through our course outline, how to get help for technology, how to submit an assignment, and for each one of these, we have videos created or documents that will go over with pictures how to do that. And then the last part was the syllabus. And then since we had Google Meet that was also being recorded, we had to record those and then put those recordings in here. Again, I don't know if I'm going to have to do that for this upcoming school year, which is why I'm not creating an updated video for the students yet. And then going back, I have updates here that were posted. Oh, I guess those are outdated. It ran out because of the school year ended. And then here are the folders for every unit, and so within this, the assignment that I am doing with you is robot research, and you can see there's the Google Slides, our design notebook, and then just a couple other things on grade descriptions within here for the students. And so obviously they can message me in Schoology, private message, and then they have their grades also posted in here, and so these are the whole class, but they would obviously have a student view for themselves. So just wanted to create this video for you. Let me know if you have, oh sorry, one other thing. On the side here, it shows their upcoming assignments and due dates to kind of help guide them with when everything needs to be done. But if you do have other questions about how I use the LMS, let me know and I'll be happy to help you answer that question.